All right, this is your Math 1 final benchmark, number 7. The table shows the side lengths and angle measures of triangle STU. If triangle STU undergoes a series of rigid motions to form triangle VWX, the statement is, which statement is true? All right, so it gives us angle measures and it gives us side lengths. So I'm a very visual person, so let's look at what this is. So if we have a triangle here, it doesn't have to be perfect. We just need to have a visual representation here. So we're going to have, this looks like a bigger angle. So let's call this STU. So this says measure S is 27, and it says T is 43, and it says U is 110. All right, and it says TU is a distance of 3, TS is 5.5, and US is 4. All right, so it says we're going to go through a series of rigid motions to form another triangle, VWX. So we're going to put this, it's going to go through some motions, but we're going to have a similar triangle. All right, so we're going to start, S is in the bottom left, so we're going to start with V in our bottom left, and T is going to be where W is, and U will be in the same place as X. So that's important to put those in the same position. That means that this will be 110, this will be 27, this will be 43, this will be 3, 4, and 5.5. All right, so let's see what this says. This says XV is 3. Well, we can see the XV is 4, so since we have a picture there, we can easily see that doesn't work. XV is 3 again, so that doesn't work. Here it says XV is 4. Both of these say that, so these are correct here. And then XW is 3. These are both correct. And then it says WV is 5.5, so those are correct. And then it says the measure of angle X. The measure of angle X is 110, not 27. So we can see that D is probably the correct answer. V is 27 and W is 43. So even though it takes just a little while to sketch a picture, and again, it doesn't have to be a perfect picture. You can see my triangles are not to scale at all, but it just gives you an idea. If you want to put these in the same position as your first triangle, it's just easier to visualize that. All right, so the answer to number 7 is D.